We bloggers are celebrating Independence Day month with the recipes from all across India with the desi flavors in collaboration with Indian oils. So stay tuned. I'm bringing you the iconic Punjabi Shahi chaap masala, where chaap is cooked in rich aromatic sauce of butter, curd, tomatoes, and most importantly, shudh kachi khani Indian yellow mustard oil. So let's get started. Firstly, boil the frozen soya chaap, drain on a kitchen towel, remove the wooden sticks and cut into bite-sized pieces and fry them. For marination, take a bowl, add inch of oil, mix Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, curd, and handful of kasuri methi. Mix everything well, coat the soya chap pieces and marinate. Cover and keep aside for 1 hour. Take another pan, add oil, butter, badi ilaichi, sliced onion, garlic, cashews and tomatoes, garam masala and kasuri methi. Add hot water, cover and cook for 5 minutes, cool it a bit and then blend it well. Take another pan, add oil, butter, garlic, green chilies and chopped onions, Kashmiri lal mirch and cook till onion get transparent. Leave the already prepared paste into it and cook and add the marinated soya chap, a pinch of sugar and salt to taste. Add hot water and simmer the curry. Garnish with kasuri methi, garam masala and cream. Serve this lip smacking soya masala curry with naan or roti. Indian brand cooking oil ਦੇ 65 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੁੱਧ ਦਾ ਭਰੋਸਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਭਰੋਸੇ।